EagleRidge, your trusted roofing partner in Centerville, Utah. EagleRidge, the leading roofing contractor in Centerville, Utah, is your trusted partner for both residential and commercial roofing services in the 84014 area and surrounding zip codes. Our certified professionals specialize in the installation, repair, and maintenance of various roofing materials, ensuring durable and visually appealing results for every project. We begin each job with thorough inspections and customized planning, followed by professional execution to ensure your roof stands the test of time. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is evident through our use of high-quality materials and the latest techniques, providing reliable roofing solutions. Known for our attention to detail and timely project completion, we offer peace of mind through clear communication and quality checks throughout the process. EagleRidge offers new roof installations, roof repairs, roof replacements, inspections, storm damage assessments, gutter services, ice and water shield installations, soffits and fascia work, shake shingle sealing, and maintenance for all types of shingles. We also provide siding installation and repair, attic and roof ventilation solutions, swamp cooler installations and removal, and sealing to enhance energy efficiency. For commercial properties, we specialize in flat roof repair, metal roofing, TPO, EPDM, and membrane roofing systems, as well as roof coatings, soffits, fascia, and commercial-grade sealing and caulking. At EagleRidge, we pride ourselves on delivering reliable, durable roofing solutions with exceptional craftsmanship. Call us at 801-784-1457 and visit EagleRidgePros.com.